Right, so I've got a bit of a squeak when I start the engine, and I'm no mechanic, but from my research, I'm thinking it's the drive belt, or it's also known as a serpentine belt or auxiliary belt, I think. So I've got a kit, and it's the Gates Driven by Possibility Micro V kit, and in this kit right here we have a tensioner, a pulley which is like has the bearings on it, and a new belt. I had a look on Autodoc and there were some great kits on there for the same price of what I've paid for this, and also I had a look at Euro Car Parts because I'm in the UK, and GSF Car Parts. They weren't Euro Car Parts came out at just over £200 for a kit. I've got this kit from a place called RTG Automotive in Leyland, total, and it came to £128.81. So follow along. I've never replaced one of these before. It doesn't look all too difficult, so yeah, let's see how easy it is. I don't have a mass amount of mechanical knowledge, and I also don't have a mass amount of tools, but I have enough that's normally got me by for, I can do a full service on this, and I have done on all my other vehicles. So I'm going to start this up now. Let's see if you can hear the squeak or not. Did you get that? If you did, let me know. Anyway, let's see if changing this belt and the tensioner pulley actually solves my problem. Let's crack on. Alright, so I've just took the cover off, well, took the wheel off. Obviously got everything on a jack and an axle stand, and everything's out of the way. And what I've done, just put a pin in on the tensioner just to take the tension off, obviously, to create the slack on the belt. And I'm going to quickly take a picture of the positioning of it all, and then we're going to take the belt off, take the tensioner off, take off the other pulley thing, whatever it is, and put it all back together. So let's crack on. Right, so this is the old belt that's come off, and it happens to be the same belt that I've just bought at Gates. It looks in good condition, to be fair, not too bad at all. So I'm wondering, let's just compare the two. It's been on there a while. It looks worn down some, so yeah, and it's glossy, so yeah, that probably is the squeak. So that's the old one, and here's the new one. So first of all, we need to put on the new tensioner. Take the old tensioner off, put the old pulley, whatever that is, obviously, off, and put them on. So let's crack on and do that. Right, so next to my tensioner is my pulley, and it looks like there's just a case on there, I think. It's got to be. There you go. So you pop that off, and that's obviously the pulley next to it. Right, looks like there's a couple of bolts on that tensioner to take off, so we'll do that. So that's the old tensioner off. It's definitely been on there the life of the thing, isn't it? So that's probably a little bit of play, ever so slightly in that. But yeah, we're going to take the pulley off as well, and that's the old pulley come out. Right then, that's the new tensioner back on, and the new pulley, whatever it's called. So let's put you there, get this clip on. That's gone on nicely. I'm just going to have a quick look at the orientation of it goes on, and we're going to put that belt on. Right, so I've got it all on now. This was a bit of a bar stool to get over this last bit, but bit of a manoeuvring of the old tensioner there, and it helps get it over the lip. Got that brand new pulley on there as well, or whatever that's called. It's just bearings, isn't it? So let's get this started up now and see if we hear a squeal. Alright, let's start her up and see if we hear a squeal. Oh. No squeal! Job's a good one. Literally that took me 55 minutes, not even an hour. Limited knowledge, just a standard Halford's advanced ratchet set. I think I used a 10mm, a 12mm or a 13mm. Really easy to do. So yeah, crack on guys, get it done.